Mitsubishi Motors North America, we service 330 dealers, both automotive and parts supply. Implementation of Blue Yonder was in 2012, so really our job over the last 4 or 5 years has been re-implementing Blue Yonder for our team. One of the biggest struggles that we've had is utilizing Excel templates in order to do planning. And Blue Yonder has really taken us to another level on planning. We were stuck with just kind of moving averages, looking at the last 3 months of demand, last 6 months of demand. Blue Yonder has given us a more complex and intuitive model for forecasting. In doing so, we've been able to add seasonality to a lot of our forecasting, adding in curves to help us better plan for future demand. And then on the fulfillment side, it gives us a lot more flexibility on how we want to manage our safety stock, how we want to manage our lead times, and how we want to manage our networks as well. And Blue Yonder is such an intuitive tool as it is right now. To see Blue Yonder take it to the next level and just include some AI and machine learning is really exciting as a customer. AI is definitely an interesting tool that Mitsubishi Motors is looking at. It helps with productivity. It helps with usability of the system. It's an additional tool for analytics that can go beyond the human mind. And it allows the planner to focus on maybe more niche things, whereas AI can just kind of flow through the day-to-day and give you the necessary information that you need. There's a plethora of things that MMA is looking to work with Blue Yonder on. We've talked about dynamic safety stock, we've talked about slow-moving models, we've talked about D360. There's a lot of fun and exciting things that MMA wants to do with Blue Yonder.